All right, so if you're one of the people asking me, Smith, how do I exchange my TikTok coins? Then this video is for you. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using this VPN, which is Super Unlimited Proxy. If you don't have it, you can find it in your App Store or in your Play Store. Now, when you are in this place, all you need to do is to go down, all the way down to where it is written select location. You can see it here, select location, right? So go there, click it open, and then select Brazil. When you open Brazil, you see two servers. Select the second server. Now allow it connect. Now you can see it's connecting. And then let's let it connect. Now boom, it's connected. You can see it. You can see the report here, connection report here. It's connected. Then you close it and you go to your browser. If it's Google Chrome you're using or any other browser, you open it up and open a new tab and go and tap and search rather TikTok Coin Exchange. You see it here already, TikTok Coin Exchange. If you click on it, let it open and click on the very first one that comes out on the search, on the very first search results that comes out. Click on it and allow it open. Now once it opens, as you can see now, once it opens, you need to log in your account here, your TikTok account. You need to log it in. Mine is logged in already. That's why you're seeing this. So if you log it in, you see login. You log in your TikTok details there and you go straight down to where it's written exchange. Now here is recharge. Now, why do we use Brazil? Brazil rates are it's very reasonable. Basically, Brazil gives you like $10 gives you 1,000 coins. There's no other country that really gives you that value for $10. Okay, so that's why we use Brazil. So if you want to do a custom amount, like I have $17, you can just do $10 now. You will see below here. Okay, look just right below the 10. You will see that 1,000 coins is giving you. But for me, I want to exchange the whole of the $17 that is in this account at the moment. So I will just impute the 17 and do exchange. You see, come down here where it's written exchange. Once I click on it, I allow it load and you can see complete, go back or complete just to be sure, double sure, and then you click on complete. Immediately your coin is already in your account. This is it. Stop letting people scam you all around in the name of I want to teach you how to exchange your coins. This is it completely. Now the next thing you have to do is go all the way back to the VPN. Now go back to the VPN and open it and then disconnect it. If you disconnect it, then you go back to your app, go back to your main TikTok app, click on it. If you click on it, then click on your profile, below by the right, and then click on these three dash lines and open it. Go to settings and privacy, click on it, and then go to your balance. You click on it, open it up, and you see your balance now. What I have in Nigerian Naira, you see it, and then this is your balance as your coin balance is already there. So this is how to exchange your TikTok coin, TikTok gifts rather, to coins.